Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt best friend, I don't think I'll ever let it. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. Break down, I take a break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got feelings that are thinking fake now. I just wanna be the best right now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. I'll give my life for that, put all my trust into my dogs, who he stepping at. Wanna make it out the trap, I really know it takes some time. Yeah, I said who down the slide, trying to keep my moves quiet. Know them ops gon' find the time, yeah. I said it's fuck the other side, yeah. My brother really stepping, we don't care what all they find. We gon' keep our lips shut, I done prove that every time. All these perkies in my pocket got me dreaming of me dying. Inhale, exhale, we feel it burn in our chest. The same type of burn we feel, we be up in the tech. I really let them hollow tips burn right through your neck. Them disrespectful little hoes is really getting they dome checked. Swear that I don't even got no time to myself. It really seems like I should drop out, fuck all the help. I know this shit could change my life, yes, fuck how they feel. They don't understand me now, keep it concealed, yeah. Power to my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. Mentally exhausted, ever since I started, we all bleed the same blood. And that's some shit you better not forget. Losing touch from typing these messages to my conscience. Need to keep back into my heart from when I tossed it. You found it, then ripped it up, tore that shit to pieces. Swear I never trust a single word that I've been hearing. Next time I notice they closed off and appearing.